Well, my first axe hanging a handle on a double bit axe. I have to say I am pretty stoked. Got it right up here to the shoulder. Nice and curled wood all the way around. Nice solid fit. Wedge went in nice and smooth. Nice solid fill all the way around that. Once we cut that off, about 1/8 of an inch, proud of that, and sand that down, ooh, it's going to look nice. Now if we can just get this blade looking as nice as that handle hanging, it'll be in excellent shape. Did get a start with this, as you've seen already in the video, with different variations of sanding discs. I think that's probably about as much as I want to take out of that. I don't know, I might work that down a little bit more, because I did notice that over here on this side there are quite a few blemishes and gouges here as well that probably need to be brought out. So we'll just keep working that down till we get it. May not get all of that out, but we'll try to get a little bit more of that out of there. But the handle certainly looks fantastic.